Greetings, my people. For all who do not know, coconut and tuna good for back pain. You soak it overnight, cut the tuna and take out the middle and soak it overnight with the coconut water, and it tastes so delicious. It removes all infection and flaming from the back. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meek's Life Plan YouTube channel. Catch you soon. This tuna is good for, you wash it, when you pick it you wash off these little parts to get away the maca kind of thing. Then you cut it in two and you use this tuna, the inside of the tuna, with the coconut water. The coconut water. This coconut water, you soak it with the tuna overnight and it's good for pain in the back. See it? Pain in the back. And this remove the flaming of the infection in the back of the pain. Where you're feeling the pain, I mean. And this good to drink during the day to wash your heart and all, as people would say. Yeah. And it's a good look. Just remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meek's Life Plan YouTube channel. About the person who selling the coconut, the person did not want to be in the video, so I have to do the video without that person showing his face. Find a lot of coconut on the roadside selling, so you have to just stop at a location like this and buy a coconut water. In Jamaica you can get a coconut well cheap. You don't have to have a lot of money to drink a coconut water. You can get a coconut water well cheap and nice to quench your thirst, to soak overnight with the tuna, to remove the pain in the back and all. And you can use the tuna to wash your ear also. You can use the tuna to wash your ear also. Yeah, ladies. Yeah. So just remember to like, share and subscribe. Beautiful day. To Mr. Meek's Life Plan YouTube channel. Peace out. Yeah, we're in food. Boy, I eat food, man. I eat like I'm not watching. Lord Jesus. Boy, I eat food like nothing. Run him like I'm not today.